Part 3: The New Techniques. ITER is considered as the biggest international scientific project, regrouping 35 countries: India, China, South Korea, Russia, Japan, Switzerland, the USA, and all the countries of the European Union. ITER aims to replicate the fusion in the Sun, creating a plasma at 150 million degrees. The principle is to create a fusion of deuterium and tritium, two isotopes of hydrogen, to produce 10 times more energy than input. The project has been initiated in 1988 and is under construction since 2007. However, it should not be linked to the electrical network before 2060. The Small Modular Reactors, SMR, are relatively small and flexible. They have a capacity up to 300 megawatts that can fluctuate with demand. The main advantage is that they can be manufactured in a specialized factory and shipped and installed on-site. This method is faster and cheaper than the conventional one. Moreover, they are safer than traditional nuclear power plants thanks to passive nuclear safety features. These reactors are mainly used in isolated regions with a bad connection to the electrical network and complement to other energy sources like solar panels or wind turbines. Since 2018, the SMR are used in military ships and submarines and in Russian icebreakers. Molten salt reactors, MSR, use molten salt as a coolant. They present many advantages comparing to PWR reactors. First, there is no pressurized water in the primary loop, meaning no high pressure and no risk of steam explosion and no releasing of dangerous gases. Moreover, these reactors are flexible. The range of fuels and salt compositions is wide, the fast neutron design can be used, and uranium can be replaced by thorium, which is more abundant and has a shorter life. France is today one of the biggest nuclear power in the world. But today, the target is to reduce drastically the part of nuclear in production to develop more renewable energy sources. The techniques of production are largely developed for building conventional power plants, but still present some disadvantages, like the nuclear waste treatment, the cost, or the long time to launch or modify your production. It's the reason why new techniques are developed, like small reactors, alternative fuels, or the big international project ITER, aiming to imitate the Sun.